As many of you would remember, I keep talking about complementarity between India and Argentina in bilateral relations. Complementarity between the economies, between the markets. We have done many business seminars. Now, to this there is the other complementarity which I call as the cultural complementarity. Lots of Argentines take interest in Indian yoga, meditation, Ravi Shankar, and the Indians take interest in Malbec, beef chorizo, and then tango. We have got here Shahrukh, who I bet can dance better tango than any Argentines here in this. Now, to this we are now adding a new complementarity. Complementarity at the governmental level, at the diplomatic level. As you know, I was sent here because of my passion for Latin America. Now, as a return favor, the government of Argentina is sending to India someone who is passionate about Asia. Now, I am passionate about Latin America and he is passionate about Asia. It's complementarity. But he does better than me in terms of two things. Number one, I have spent in Latin America. I have lived and worked in Latin America so far 11 years. And if I manage to continue here for one more year, until next May, I would have done 12 years. But my friend here, he has already done 14 years in Asia. So he's one up. And the second thing he is up about me is that my passion for Latin America came a bit late in my life. But in his case, he was able to convert his passion into marriage. He's married to a Vietnamese. Lucky. In my case, it was a bit late. But the government has got its timing right in the complementarity as diplomatic. I was sent here at the perfect time when there is great interest in India, in the government and in the private sector. I'm not sure if I had come here 10 years back, I would have been successful as I was now. This was the perfect time, and we started with the visit of President Cristina, and we had great ambassadors like Ambassador Moyano, who caused a revolution by giving 5-year multiple entry visas for Indian businessmen free of cost. No other country in Latin America, no other country in the world gives 5-year multi-entry visa free of cost. Gracias. My timing was perfect. Now, similarly, our friend is going to Mumbai at a perfect time when there are 2 constituents in Mumbai which are waiting to embrace him and to give new meaning to his passion for Asia. One is the constituent impresarios, businessmen like Godrej, Schwab, Tata. They have started falling in love with Argentina, with their money. Then the other sector which has started showing interest in Argentina is the Bollywood, the glamour. We had Gustavo Santaolalla, the famous Argentine music composer who composed music for an Indian Bollywood film. And we had a great festival in Amman, thanks to him. Then we had some 40 stars had come, television stars had come here for a show called, reality show called Wipeout. And they stayed here in Buenos Aires for about a month or so to do the show. And this was hosted by Shah Rukh Khan, the most famous actor of India. And before each of the episode, they showed the images of Buenos Aires, Cataratas, the glacier. So now there is a lot of interest in the Bollywood about Argentina. And then our friend, Pablo Cesar, he is just waiting to go to India for the co-production of his film on Victoria Ocampo and Tagore. Again, the timing. He told me that the house in which his predecessor was living, that landowner is not renewing the lease. So now he is looking for a house in Juhu Beach, where all the stars are there. Good choice. That is going to add to your passion and maybe some more co-productions, I guess. I would like to wish Amigo great success in your stay in Mumbai. But I tell you, when you go to Mumbai, when you talk to your people there, the first thing the people in India are going to tell you is, oh, India is complicated. That's what they told me when I came here. Whenever I wanted to do things, they said, no, Argentina is complicated. Then I said, no problem. India is more complicated. So we have made not only virtue, in fact, I realized it is a competence for our companies and our mindset. Today I was in a seminar organized by World Business Forum in Hilton Hotel, where there was another Tamil guy called Vijay Govindarajan who was giving a talk about management practices. What struck me was, you know, when the ambassadors from Europe and United States, they tell their companies, oh, Argentina is difficult. But I tell our companies, hey, Argentina is a great opportunity. They are very friendly people. When you come here, you not only get business, when you go back happier and younger. Don't believe me. So this is something of a bonus for us besides business. And then for the Indian companies who operate in complicated conditions in India, you don't find anything unusual here. That is why our 17 companies here, they are, as you say, muy content, very happy with their operations here. Every one of them want to expand their operations and they want to increase the number of staff. Like for example, Tata Consultancies have got 300 people, they want to increase to 1,500. And more companies want to come. So when Indians tell you that India is complicated, you can tell the same story. I wish you all the best.
Thank you very much.